Sri Kinjarapu Rammohan Naidu to reply the discussion.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me the opportunity. And in fact, I would like to start by giving my thanks to all the speakers who have participated in this important bill. And right from Syed Nasir Hussain ji, Raghav Chadda ji, Shambhu Patel ji, Sagarika Ghosh ji, Kanimoy ji, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, Ramji Lal Suman ji, Niranjan Reddy ji, Shri Brijlal ji, Sulata Dev ji, HD, former Prime Minister who is also here, HD Devegowda ji, Fauzia Khan ji, Santosh Kumar ji, Bhim Singh ji, Haris Biran ji, Geeta Chandra Prabha ji, A. Rahim ji, Parmal Salam Singh ji, Mission Ranjan Das ji, Ramchandra Jangra ji, Ajit Madhavrao ji, Priyanka Chaturvedi ji and Sushmita Dev ji. And I thank each and everyone who has heartfully participated in this debate. And through this debate, many suggestions which are very, very important for us as a ministry to know. Some of the feedback is very, very important for us to know that has come through all the speakers. And some have maybe crossed the line a little bit and used this debate for their own political purposes. I would not delve too deep into that because that is something the opposition, it has a right to do it and it keeps doing it all the time. But I'll keep the debate very positive and I'd like to comment on all the important suggestions that have come in. And I would like to start also by addressing the elephant in the room, which is about the name of the act, Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidhayak. I also understand that it might be a little difficult thing to pronounce for a lot of people. गले में अटकता होगा ये, पर कोई शर्मिंदा की बात नहीं है इसमें. कोई ये ऐसे वो शर्मिंदा होने की कोई बात नहीं है. This is something you have to know the intention with which the government has put this name. That is ये है कि भारत की जो विरासत है, संस्कृति है, जो पहचान है, उसको दिखाने की, दर्शाने की एक प्रयत्न ये 3 वर्ड अभी रखने की है. इसमें कोई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वायलेशन कहीं पे भी नहीं है. जो भी आर्टिकल्स मेंशन किए गए हैं, उसका कोई भी कहीं पे भी उसका ऑपोजिशन या कुछ किया नहीं है. One of them is Article 348(1) has been mentioned, which says about the authoritative text. That is definitely in English, it is there. And also the bill is, it's been mentioned about Article 120, but that also there is no violation about it. And the official language act also, it is in accordance with it. So there is no point of constitution, but there might be a feeling that something has been imposed. And I also am a very proud Telugu person. I speak Telugu language, I write Telugu language, and I am proud of my culture and my upbringing.